Hey guys! So earlier today I did a big long video to like summarize, recap everything that I went through and like tips and tricks and what's really needed. So check that video out. That will be out before this video goes up. But today I am 9 weeks, I wish. I'm 9 days post-op, but today I was able to wash my hair. I'm going in for like my 1 week appointment today, and I'm very excited because I just got off the phone with my nurse, and one of my drains will be going out, and I can't wait. So I'm very excited for that. So I will be going to my appointment, and I will update you guys on what happens. Hey guys, so I just got back from my 1 week post-op, and I'm going to tell you everything that happened, and I'm going to include just like a few pictures of what they were doing and what I look like, and like them cleaning my incisions. So since I still have a lot of fluid in my upper abdomen area, and my fluid numbers have stayed the same, they're not decreasing. I was not able to get any of my drains out, which I was really upset about because I thought at 1 week I would be able to get at least one out, but that's not the case. And that was my own fault. Like, the directions were given to me, I read them, I thought I read everything, but you only comprehend and keep so much. So that was my own fault. So what I was doing was I would take a break from my binder that I'm wearing. I would take a break for like an hour at a time, like maybe like twice a day, if not once a day, and that's like a big no-no. So that was number one, why I still have this fluid in my upper abdomen area, is that because I was taking it off and leaving it off for a long period of time, and second, because I have not been putting my binder on as tight as they put it on me as well. So now I know not to take it off. They said that, if I take it off, just 5 minutes tops. You should readjust your binder anytime, you've been moving around, getting up and down, walking, just readjust it before you sit back down, because if you're moving, the binder's going to be moving and it's not going to be how it really should be. So, always readjust it, but don't do what I did and leave it off for an hour at a time. That's a big no-no. So when I went in, my doctor, what he does is he removes all of my bandages that are underneath my binder and, my sports bra. They clean it with iodine. They do like a nice little scrubbing, and at this appointment, they remove some stitches. So I had lipo, my back area. So there was 3 spots on my back where it healed and the stitches were ready to be removed. So they removed 3 spots in my back. They removed some stitches underneath my breast, and my tummy tuck, they didn't do anything there, but just clean it and, just look at the incisions, make sure everything's looking good, and everything looks great. Belly button looks great. That was the first time I actually got to see my belly button. So they gave me a mirror, that way I could like look at myself, because I was like trying to look down. It was like really difficult. So they gave me a mirror, and I was able to use the mirror to like look at myself, and it's like, it's so beautiful. Like, I can't believe I look like this. So I just want to mention where I went and give my doctor a big shout out, because his work is so detailed and just he's great. Like, I can't deny how good he is. So I went to the it's probably backwards, I don't know. I went to the Maryland Plastic Surgery Medical Spa and Cosmetic Surgery Center, and that is in Glen Burnie, Maryland. And you can Google that if you're in my area and just want some more information. I honestly could not be any more happier. So for now, I just need to focus on making sure my binder's on nice and tight, and just keep moving around and making sure this fluid is getting out of me. I have another appointment on Tuesday. Today's Thursday. So I'm hoping by Tuesday I will be able to get some of my, at least one drain out, because I go back to work Wednesday. I only took 2 weeks off, and I feel good to go back to work. I really can't sit on my butt directly for another, he said 3 weeks, no sex for 3 weeks. I asked about when I can get waxed, and because I get waxed every 5 weeks, but since I knew I was having surgery, I pushed it out to 6, and they do 6 weeks and 2 days, so I pushed it out as far as I could, so that way, and I wanted to make sure it was okay to get waxed, because my lady parts are feeling better, but I didn't want to mess up the tummy tuck or something, but he said, at 3 weeks, I should be good, so it'll be perfect timing to go get my wax. I also asked about how many cc's were taken out of me and what was taken or put back into me. And I think he said it was 700 cc's of fat that he was able to lipo, and he put all of that right back into my butt. So that is it for now, and I will see you guys soon.